I've got enough fuel for another one, don't you?
Oh yeah.
I'm going to take off again. Are you okay with that, Mike? Oh, I'm going wrong. Did I do it again? Did I land the wrong way? I'm sorry.
Well, the wind's at your back now.
Yeah.
Fucking thing gives me vertigo too.
What?
Gives me vertigo.
Well,
trying to follow this
don't worry about it. If you got some footage, that's all I care.
And stand up straight and all that.
Yeah. Alright, let's see how she is upside.
Am I in your way?
No. See how much? Oh yeah, plenty of inverted stuff, alright. Plenty of power on it.
Oh yeah.
I'll be landing here, Ernie.
Okay. Mike's gonna land.
Okay.